In our last video, we learned how to go from a single satellite image to developing an overall spatial layout using reference images. Now let's move on to the next step, advanced architectural analysis and scene making. First, log into ConVI and open your existing Infinite Canvas project. Let's quickly recap what we created last time. Now pick your favorite generated artwork to develop further. Click the plus icon and select image. Go to Preset Prompts and choose Post-Processing of Effects to produce renderings under different seasons and weather conditions. Pick your preferred seasonal output to keep refining. Click the plus icon and select image again. Select image perspective transformation, turn on the grid offline function. Pick the GPT model channel and hit generate. Repeat this workflow to get a variety of scene-based renderings. Next, let's create structural analysis drawings. Click plus and choose image. Select building volume deduction. Use GPT image 2 and generate. Repeat the process to get structural studies form evolution diagrams and exploded view drawings. What if you need smart converted analytical graphics? Keep watching. Click plus and select image. Choose intelligent conversion of drawing, pick your target analysis mode. Select the AI channel and generate to get your analysis diagrams. Now for structural engineer drawings. Click plus and select image. Open structural engineering analysis, choose your required analysis type. Select the AI channel and generate. Your engineering analysis outputs. Fifth option, master level presentation graphics. Again, click plus and select image. Choose your target analysis preset. And you will get board-ready presentation diagrams for architecture competitions. Pretty amazing, right? You can go straight from raw satellite imagery all the way to finished analytical drawings. Like, comment, prompt text, and subscribe. See you in our next video.